Have you ever come across a situation where you needed to ensure that only a single instance of a class exists in your code? Well, fear not. Today, we'll be introducing you to a powerful design pattern called the Singleton. Singleton is a creational design pattern that ensures only one instance of a class exists throughout the application, providing a global point of access to it. Let's understand the Singleton pattern using an example. Imagine a scenario where we need to manage a single database connection object in our application. Without the Singleton pattern, multiple instances of the database connection object could be created, leading to resource wastage and potential conflicts. By applying the Singleton pattern, we can ensure that only one instance of the database connection object is created and shared throughout the application. Let's take a look at the implementation of the Singleton pattern in code first. We declare a private static instance variable in the class, which will hold the single instance of the class next. We define a private constructor, preventing the class from being instantiated from outside. Then we provide a public static method, usually named getInstance, which returns the single instance of the class. In the getInstance method, we check if the instance variable is null. If it is, we create a new instance and assign it to the variable. Otherwise, we return the existing instance. Now, any part of the application can access the Singleton instance by calling the getInstance method. It's important to note that the Singleton pattern ensures thread safety by default, as the instance is created only once and shared across multiple threads. However, it's crucial to be mindful of potential performance bottlenecks in heavily multi-threaded applications. In summary, the Singleton pattern allows us to control the instantiation of a class and ensures that only one instance exists throughout the application.